Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're looking at a lipstick that promises to make a statement with just one swipe, the Lord & Berry Absolute Velvet Lipstick in the shade 7437 Insane. If you're in search of a creamy satin finish lipstick that's not just about color, but also about care, then keep watching. And hey, if you're enjoying these honest, in-depth reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out. This lipstick is more than just a pretty shade. The Lord & Berry Absolute Velvet Lipstick boasts a rich, creamy texture that glides on with ease, giving you an instant pop of color. It's perfect for those who want full coverage with a weightless feel. The formula includes powerhouse ingredients like jojoba oil, avocado oil, and rose flower extract. These nourishing components work together to keep your lips hydrated, smooth, and exfoliated, offering comfort as well as vibrancy. In real-life use, this lipstick was impressively easy to apply. I found that it went on smooth, with no tugging or pulling, and the color was rich and pigmented. The satin finish provided a soft sheen, not too glossy, but enough to keep your lips looking fresh all day. Whether you're wearing it for a full day at the office or a night out, this lipstick holds up well, leaving your lips feeling nourished rather than dry, even after hours of wear. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is highly moisturizing. The avocado oil and jojoba oil ensure that your lips feel soft and hydrated, even in drier months. The pigmentation is fantastic, with one swipe giving you full coverage. And the satin finish is perfect for those who prefer a polished look without the shine of a gloss. On the flip side, because of the moisturizing nature of the lipstick, you may need to reapply after meals, as it isn't transfer-proof. Is this lipstick worth its price? Absolutely. The combination of nourishing oils and the vibrant color payoff makes this a solid investment, especially if you struggle with dry lips and are looking for a lipstick that won't exacerbate the issue. That said, if you're on a budget, you can find similar moisturizing lipsticks, but they might not have the same pigment or feel as luxurious. Comparing it to others on the market, Lord & Berry stands out for its quality ingredients and overall performance. Some might argue that you can find more affordable options, but if you're looking for a product that blends luxury and performance, this is one to consider. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, making it easy to carry in your purse for quick touch-ups. The lipstick applies evenly, and the full coverage ensures that you're not left with uneven patches. It's also long-lasting in terms of how comfortable it feels, no flaking or dryness, even after several hours. If you're someone who loves your lipstick to not only look good, but feel good too, this is definitely one to try. It's great for all-day wear, and if you tend to have drier lips, the nourishing ingredients make it stand out from many other formulas out there. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, Lord & Berry's reputation is solid. They're known for being responsive and ensuring that customers are satisfied with their purchases, so you can feel confident in your purchase. As for alternatives, while this lipstick is well priced for the quality, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, you might want to check out other high-quality satin lipsticks, but you may sacrifice some of the luxurious ingredients and hydration that Lord & Berry offers. To sum up, the Lord & Berry Absolute Velvet Lipstick in 7437 Insane is a gorgeous, hydrating lipstick that gives you a satin finish and rich color. It's ideal for those who want to nourish their lips while still making a bold statement. If you're someone who struggles with dry lips but doesn't want to compromise on color, this lipstick is for you. Highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.